The reason I'm not embarrassed about promoting Save Club is because you're inviting people to just look into an opportunity that will save you or those people money. You're not buying shampoo for $80 that's worth 8 cents. This is not an MLM where you have to buy all this crap and store in your room because you can't even publicly sell it. You can't sell it in a store. You can't open up an Amazon thing or a home gym to sell maybe some vitamins or supplements. This is not that type of business. And that's why I'm a big fan of Save Club. Number one, there's really no products to buy except stuff that you're already buying, but you're going to save money on. Big difference. You're making money by saving people money. Saving you money, more importantly. And when you start making money by helping people save money, it blows your mind away. You're like, why didn't I do this, in my case, 50 years ago? I've only been doing this online thing for about 2 years and 2 months. I started March of 2023. Here it is, March, April, May, June. So, I got a couple of months over 2 years doing this thing. And this is awesome. I'm so lucky, even as I approach 60 years old, to be in a business. Here it is. What is it? June 17th of 2025 as I look at my computer screen. I got lucky because I could have tried doing online business or just traditional business before the internet and be burnt out and embarrassed. You know how many people I have in my downline now that have tried Amway, Avon, Mary Kay, Nu Skin, all these MLMs. Well, that's old school. And this is not MLM, not traditional, but it pays like it. With our comp plan, it's amazing. It's where with team efforts, you help me, I help you. I'll even help your downline, your team. And if we all start making money, guess what? We all start making more money together. But it's all based upon inviting people to look into joining a Save Club on things you're already buying. Things you're going to buy in the future. Like hotel trips. No matter what, you got to get new tires for a car. You're going to have to get brakes. You're going to have to repair your tooth, your eyeball. Maybe you want like a cool necklace or maybe some crazy things that you can hang on your walls. Do you like food and drink? I do. See my little mini fridges? I have 3 of these at the radio station. And guess what's inside them? Yep. Mostly stuff you eat. Now, healthy? Kinda. There is cheese and things you can make tacos in my little mini fridge there. And Lord knows there's plenty of drinks. All right, I love to sip and drink as I work. But I do eat and I do drink. And guess what? In the membership side of Save Club, there's so many restaurants in there. Now, please, I always have to bring this up because every day I have somebody, not even in my downline yet, or just waiting to join. Are we in Singapore? Are we in African areas? Are we in Tahiti, Fiji? How about Florida, Philippines? Okay, all you can do is and if you want, go ahead and go to support@saveclub.com and ask them questions because they'll go directly to the company and the owner and they can answer on your behalf. But yeah, we definitely have the most deals available in America because we're based out of Las Vegas, right here, just down the street. I'm in Utah. About 400 miles south of me is Las Vegas, and I've lived there about 1/4 of my life. All right, it's a great city, a lot of money. People spend and they like to save. There's no better city to be based out of than Las Vegas when it comes to saving and earning money. All right? But this is a worldwide thing. It's a worldwide endeavor based on the backbone and infrastructure of a great company called Live Good. You can see some of my products here on the fridge in the little white containers there. All right? They've signed up 2 million people over the last couple of years. Millions of dollars going out of just really healthy things to put in your guts. And that's where I became very good. Out of the 2 million people, I'm number 29 in the company on the leaderboard. That's where I got really good at this online thing, just chatting to you folks like this. Well, guess what? Save Club, the pay is similar, the infrastructure, the simplicity of inviting people to a video. The website's almost identical except for the logo and obviously the opportunity to buy products is different in Live Good, where you actually buy products, ship them, and consume them. But the reason I like Save Club is there's nothing to come in the mail unless I want to buy something I'm saving on, like Amazon, or I want to buy, let's say, a Kiss lamp. Did it. How about some Hot Wheels? Yep, Kiss lava lamp. You can see I even got Farrah Fawcett. Wait, where is it? Right there. I'll try to point right there. I just bought that Farrah Fawcett poster Barbie. 1977, guys. She was my dream babe back then. But I thought I'd buy me a Farrah Fawcett Barbie, and guess what? That thing cost more than probably a real car back in 1977. But I love trinkets, and I love saving money. Is Walmart in the Save Club? Yep. Discount Tire? Yep. Sirius XM? Yep, I just renewed and saved me a bunch of money there. You've got things that are going to go into the health section. And what I love about automotive, I was just listening to our founder the other day. Yes, we're going to have deals on diesel and gasoline because I love to drive. That's my number one thing. I have motorcycles, cars, trucks. I have big military Hummers, and I go through gasoline and diesel like crazy because I enjoy just driving, not going somewhere to buy something to go home and watch Netflix. I live in the beautiful state of Utah, right below Mount Olympus. I go through the mountains. I go over Brighton Ski Resort into Park City. I get myself something to eat, something to drink, and I go through the mountains and just crank music. And guess what? It all costs money at the old gas stations, okay? So the fuel savings is going to be just amazing once we get full medical. But guys, in China, listen, I'm talking to you. Just relax. We're going to be there. We're going to be in every city, state, and country. Sure, it's going to take 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Could take a year wherever you live. If you're in tiny little countries, it might take longer or it might be faster. But we can only go as fast as businesses that want to sign up with us. So when you sign up with Save Club, you just go to the My Deals section, go to the bottom of the website, and if you have a business, then let's get you in Save Club if you qualify, okay? So joinsaveclub.org. This is the official link to Save Club. I want you to click it. You're going to go here. Watch this little video. It's about 6 minutes. Fill out your info right below my picture here and then hit that orange button. And then you're going to get an email where you can join. It's up to you. Now, after you join, you can go log in. This is the Save Club back office. And guess what? I'm going to show you where you can save and enter your business if you'd like, okay? See right here where it says My Deals. It's right at the top too. Now, this is where you can go search. I put Salt Lake City in here. But if you live in Canada or China or anywhere, put in your zip code. Put what you're searching for. Or just leave this open. Just put in your zip code and hit search. Guys, you're going to have tens of thousands of deals. Look at all these just alone. Look at Domino's. You like pizza? You like Papa Murphy's or Subway? Taco Time. Oh my God, I love Taco Time. I'm going to totally go there and save $3. Anyway, now when you go to the very bottom, see where it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Well, guys, if you're in a country right now, go around and just ask, hey, guys, do you want to belong to one of the biggest saving clubs in the world where someone from the United States can save? Well, hit that button where it says Get Started. Guys, we need millions and millions and millions of businesses to qualify. And guess what? It starts with that button right there. So remember, join Save Club, hit this button that says My Deals, and then go to the very bottom. And that's where you can submit your business. Because most people think, okay, I just want to join to save money. But guess what? If you join and own a business too, you might get more business. You might be saving money on things you're already buying. And on top of that, with my new funnel, if you want to be an affiliate, guys, I can show you how to make money. I've been making, I think I'm at 11 or $1,200 right now of cash I've made just with my new funnel system. And it's signing up people left and right. I've signed up well over 100 already. Check this out. I've already signed up, look at that, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think I got 16 people that have already joined just by using my funnel. And you can see on the leaderboard, look at that. I'm already number 7 in the world just by using my funnel. Now, how do you get it? Okay, look at your screen, saveclubfunnels.com. Now, this is what I want you to do. When you go to saveclubfunnels.com, you can already be joined in Save Club. You don't have to be a member already. Okay, you can join Save Club and join in my team. Or if you've already joined someone else and there's no support from them, then I want you to join for sure because I can welcome you to the biggest team in Save Club. Put your email address in this white rectangle and hit the yellow button. Now remember, this whole funnel system is yours too. You can change any of this. I recommend leaving it. This video is how I'm getting, I've probably signed up 60 people by using it already. Okay. Join Save Club, $60 to be an affiliate, $19.97. So for $79.97, $80, boom, you got one hell of a business. Now, if you're already in Save Club, go here, get the new funnel. $25, watch the video like I said. And if you want to get it, look at that. It's only $25. And if you don't want it next month, then don't get it. But I recommend send people to the funnel first. It does a better job of recruiting and explaining the membership and the affiliate side. How much, the comp plan, how to use the cell phone, how to search. It's awesome. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Now, this button is really awesome because you're going to get invited to 2 invite-only teams. And this is where you can get private information from the biggest people in this company. And what I mean by the biggest is not that they've been eating snack cakes. They're the biggest and the best because they've made money and other opportunities, and they're signing up people left and right like me. I'm number 7 in the world right now. I have no doubt I'm going to be top 5 and top 3 soon. And I do the same thing, and I show you exactly what I do. I just keep things fun. But remember, we have social media, banners, pictures, done for you videos for TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. All right. And all you got to do is just get your own link and invite people to it. And we show you how to do that with emails, paid traffic. You can do everything with the funnel. You can't just with Save Club. You can't pay traffic to go and click the link because if they're fake and bots, it's going to jam the server and then they're going to turn your affiliate link opportunity off. But with the funnel system, it can filter out all the bad emails, the spam, and all the junk that might come into the funnel system. So if you want to do paid traffic, you have to do it through the funnel. So saveclubfunnels.com. It's $25, and it's just a beautiful web page before this one. Okay? But please go to both. I think you're going to enjoy both videos, and you'll see how easy it is to get people to sign up to save money and to also be an affiliate. Kick some butt. Let's earn some money too. On top of that, the funnel system, for each sign up, guess what? You get $20 from the company. And it's only $25 to get the funnel. That means the company keeps 5 and gives you 20. That's how I've made $1,000-something bucks, because I have like people signing up left and right on my team, but I have people signing up left and right that have already signed up in Save Club somewhere else because they're stuck, and that could be you. The funnel system will not keep you stuck. You're going to join my team. You're going to join the biggest 2 teams with everyone we dominate the leaderboard. I'd say probably 90% of the leaderboard is on our team. Okay. Get advice from those that are signing people up as members and affiliates and earning money. It's just smart to do. SaveClubFunnels.com. So guys, thanks for your time. It looks like I'm at 13 minutes already. I want to just keep those links up on my screen. If you have any questions, you can see my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. And you're not bugging me. I say that because some people, they always go, sorry to bug you, but. So I know I'm not on your team, but don't worry about it. I help everybody in Save Club. Okay? Join the funnel system. But you need to join Save Club first. We're only 17 days in. We have thousands of people that need to be signed up per day, and we don't have a lot of affiliates, believe it or not. It's $60. Most people are joining as members, and I don't blame you. But get that $60 bill out. It looks like 3 $20 bills. Rub all 3 together for luck, spend them, and let's get you 3 people signed up right away, because then you got your $60 back, because you get $20 to $32 for each sign up like this. Boom. We get paid every Friday. So my goal is to get you 5 to 10 signups right away. That way you got your cash back and maybe $100 in your pocket. That's my personal goal. I can't guarantee it, disclaimer, but I'll tell you, if you keep things fun and copy exactly what I do and our teams do, you're going to really like this opportunity, okay? Okay, once again, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I appreciate your time, okay? Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon.